Hi, for Uber?
Hi, I'm so glad you're here. My phone died.
Oh, wait, what?
Yeah, my phone died. I don't think it's gonna go through, but I have plenty of cash if you can.
Wait, what?
Cash.
Did you cancel the ride?
No, my phone, it's dead. Long night, long shift.
So, what do you want to do?
I can pay you cash.
Why do you have so much cash?
I just got off work.
It's like 7 a.m.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Late night.
What?
It was a late night.
What do you mean? You do a graveyard shift? You work at like a warehouse or something?
Something like that.
What do you mean? What do you do for work?
It kind of varies, place to place.
Oh, I mean, I don't judge. Like, so I'm not supposed to accept cash. It's kind of against the rules.
It'll be our little secret.
Well, I mean, it was going to be like a $40 ride, so.
Well, I'll give you extra then.
How much?
300 good?
300? This is literally the more than I would have made this whole day.
Yeah.
I can't take that from you.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
It was a good night, so I have extra.
What do you mean a good night? What do you like? What do you do for work?
It kind of depends.
It depends.
Yeah. Depends on the night.
Wait, why does this money smell like? It smells like.
Oh, that's just my perfume. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Well, thank you. I mean, this is like, I'm gonna use this to pay. Like, I'm gonna buy my kid a bike. So.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Thank you so much.
I'm so glad. Happy to help spread the wealth.
Hey, wait a second. This money is not real.
What do you mean?
Who gave this to you?
My boss.
Wait, what?
My boss.
You realize this isn't real money? Like it's like, look at it. It says.
Should be real.
It says for motion picture purposes. I can't use this. Like whoever gave this to you isn't like, it's not real money. So sorry to let you down. And I also can't take you because it's like I can't use this money.
God damn it! It happened again. They always do that.
So I don't know what you want to do, but.